So most traders common reaction is this: when you are seeing losses, when market goes against you, when the trading accounts goes to zero, losses are continuously coming up. So now you have to understand the main important part. Most traders don't fail because their analysis is wrong. मतलब उनको मार्केट समझ नहीं आ रहा है. That is not the actual scenario. Actual scenario is most traders don't understand themselves. मतलब उनको एक आइडिया ही नहीं है कि मार्केट में what is my comfort zone, where I have more confidence, where and which location my confidence is drop down हो रहा है कि when I am not in control of the market understanding. Actual problem is not the candlestick charts, not the account or not the script you are trading. The actual issue or actual the main problem is you yourself. So now what is the solution for this? So always understand one thing, be clear on few important or straightforward aspects when you are trading in the market. So this reaction is telling multiple things: fear, okay, over tension, over pressure. Because what happens when you are in fear, you automatically start making mistake. First rule is you will break your risk management scenario. So once your risk management is broken, game is not in your control. So always understand self awareness. आपको पहले समझना पड़ेगा कि what is your comfort. ओके, तो फियर कैसे निकलता है सर मार्केट में? फियर और ओवर हाइपर टेंशन या फिर प्रेशर, पोजीशन क्रिएट कर लिया, वंस यू आर इन द पोजीशन, your few ticks price goes against you, it will be like candlesticks is just flowing inside your eyes. What will happen when the market will reverse? Always understand your trading strategy or trading setup or your trading system is just 20%. Rest 80% is how we are reacting. What is the main concern or what is your comfort? You have to identify कि आपका comfort level क्या है. बिना comfort level identify किए, if you are trading in the market, it will lead to more hypertension. Control नहीं होगा. You will be not having control in the market. Once you lose the control in the market, it is very tough. So now what happens is one more basic scenario which generally happens among traders. Morning you're sitting in front of the screen. Now you have to understand trading कितना simple है सर. आप ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट खोला, सिस्टम के सामने बैठे हो, एसी ऑन है रूम में, आराम से यू आर सिटिंग इन योर कुशन चेयर, two three screens or tracking with the laptop or tracking with the smartphone, आराम से wherever you are trading it. तो just button press किया buy, button press किया sell. So what happens? Morning सही से profit चल रहा है trade. Now the important is the main you have to understand the real part is exit is also important. कब रुकना है? मतलब यू हैव टेकन अ ट्रेड, आपने एग्जिट प्रॉफिट के टाइम पे एग्जिट किया एट योर टारगेट, एट योर स्टॉप लॉस, या फिर रैंडमली एग्जिट किया, मॉर्निंग डिसेंट खासा प्रॉफिट चल रहा है, लेटर ऑन क्या हो जाता है ना, वन मोर कैंडल स्पाइक अप, एकदम से कैंडल शूट अप हो रहा है, ट्रेड ले लिया, कैंडल नीचे आ रहा है, ट्रेड ले लिया, किसी ने और बोला जो ट्रेड ले लिया, सम अदर न्यूज चैनल इन्फ्लुएंसर और एनालिस्ट टोल्ड टेकन अ ट्रेड, और सडनली सम अदर फास्ट मूविंग मार्केट में प्राइस ट्राइंग टू क्विकली अप एंड डाउन फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है, वहां पे एक दो ट्रेड ट्राई कर लिया, सो मॉर्निंग का प्रॉफिट एज द डेज गोज ऑन पूरा प्रॉफिट वाइप्ड आउट. सो इवनिंग यही सिनेरियो मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स फेस कंडीशन है. दिस इज व्हाट मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स आर गोइंग. मॉर्निंग अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट, वंस यू सी मॉर्निंग प्रॉफिट, व्हाट हैपेंस? ऑल योर एक्सपेंसेस कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ओके, सारे एक्सपेंसेस है. So okay, today I have made this profit. If I made the same profit for full 1 month, I can buy, cover up all the expenses. Or if I do this for the same 6 month, 12 month, 1 year, 2 year, I can buy my own dream house, own car. Dreaming is not a problem, sir. But एक दो profit के चक्कर में don't do it, because most problem among traders is सुबह सुबह जो भी profit होता है, by the end of the day everything gets wiped out. That is one more problem. So उसका क्या solution है? What is the solution for it? Fix your risk, sir. रिस्क पर ट्रेड आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए, रिस्क पर ट्रेड मेरा 5000 है या फिर मेरा 10,000 है, मेरा 15,000 है, या फिर इन शॉर्ट इतने आसानी से बेसिक वे ऑफ रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क पर ट्रेड इज सिंपल परसेंटेज। व्हाट इज योर रिस्क पर परसेंटेज ऑन सिंगल ट्रेड? मतलब मान के चलिए आपका कैपिटल का आई विल टेक ओनली 1% ऑफ माई रिस्क ऑन माई कैपिटल, 2% ऑफ माई रिस्क ऑन कैपिटल पर ट्रेड। तो इन शॉर्ट इन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड व्हाट आई टोल्ड इज एग्जिट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। एग्जिट का मतलब you have taken a trade, market went against you, stop loss triggered, fine, 1% of your capital is in loss. So per trade में you have to fix your risk, per day में you have to fix your risk of total. Okay, I have 15 lakhs of capital. If I lose 2% of my capital in today's session, 30,000, if I see MTM minus, my day is done. I'll be coming fresh because what happens now? Once you follow this, first an important rule sir, fear नहीं होगा. Fear is there means emotionally you will try to take any decision. Emotionally your mind is unstable, that is where it leads to major blunder problems. So what will be the reactions? These are two individuals. Okay, these are two individual. One is cool and calm, second one is hyper emotions. You can see it, system के सामने hyper emotion. What is happening? It's all because of ट्रेड सेटअप की वजह से, क्या स्ट्रेटजी की वजह से नहीं सर। ट्रेड स्ट्रेटजी सेटअप इज जस्ट 10-15% ऑफ योर ट्रेडिंग, बाकी रेस्ट 80-90% इज हाउ यू रिएक्ट, how you are seeing the market, what is your current state of activity. आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, पिछले ट्रेड प्रीवियस ट्रेड के लॉस इज हॉन्टिंग यू, previous trade loss is running in your mind, previous week some other trading strategy has failed, now you are trying something new which is also failing, then you will have a face, then you will have a frustration of like the person who is in the left, मतलब who is in the right, he is calm enough, उनको पता है कि what is gonna happen, मतलब what is their plan, सही हुआ तो ठीक, गलत हुआ तो मेरा रिस्क तो कंट्रोल पे है, if I am making it, I am making it more than 2x 3x of the amount which I am losing. मान के चलिए if I am losing 10k, I am आराम से making 15k 20k 30k on a day. There is no need of any pressure. Fear will automatically go out of your market. Fear will automatically go out of your mind. मतलब everyone are using same chart. आप भी 5 मिनट का चार्ट देखते हो, मैं भी 5 मिनट का चार्ट देखता हूँ, कोई और बंदा 30 मिनट का देखता है, आप भी 30 मिनट का चार्ट देख के यू आर ट्रैकिंग इट, बट रिजल्ट आर डिफरेंट. What happens is once you see results, sir, he is making money, why I am not making money? He is not having emotional problem, why I am having emotional problem? The problem is not the trade strategies, the problem is you. That is the reason I told you, you have to understand what is your comfort. Comfort का मतलब, if you are ready to see a MTM loss of 1,000, no panic, no pressure, no problem. First you start with 1,000, then go to 2,000, then go to 5,000, then go to 10,000 risk per trade, then go to 50,000 lakh, and it will go on. But you are mentally you have to be stable. 1% of emotions is being seen in you or in your mind, game over. Okay, then what will be the reality, sir? You will be stunned and all your savings is getting destroyed. Always understand one more thing. In this image you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 screens are there where you are tracking the chart, right? So what is the use? 7 screen nahi sir, 45 screen, if even if you have. Making money does not means if you have 5 screen tracking 45 stocks with 20 indicators added, no use. All will be a useless activity until you are not ready or you are not aware ki when are you gonna trade, when are you gonna wait, at what point if my mind is not stable I have to stay away. This is the major awareness, I'll tell you, which more than 80 to 90% of traders are lacking. Always understand how many, for how many more years or for how many more days you will be doing all the random activities. So now you have to shift to process driven trade. You have to be very clear. Everyone might have, you might have a dream of buying a home from your trading profit, buying luxury cars, luxury apartment, living a luxury life, or living a peaceful life. That might be a dream. Financially freedom, peaceful life. Everyone have their own dreams. Because of that only everyone come to the market to trade. But do you have these three things, sir? Pre-plan entry, risk define, मतलब मेरा जाएगा आज तो कितना निकलेगा अकाउंट से if things goes wrong. And the third, the major golden part, sir, accept the outcome. मतलब up, you might be best in analysis, you might be perfect in finding trade, or you might be perfect in finding chart pattern, you might be super confident in finding the candle pattern. This doesn't mean you will make money. I'll tell you. Pre-plan entry fine, risk is properly defined, still there is a chance you can lose money on that day. It is an exceptional case. कभी कभार हो जाता है. Every time it will not happen. Sometimes it happens. No problem. Journal it or make sure to minimum remember what went wrong. That's it. Learn. That's it. सीख लो उससे. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. लॉस हो रहा है तो उसी में भी सीखना है. प्रॉफिट हो रहा है उसी में भी सीखना है. Because always understand, a trade in which you are making profit, it doesn't mean there is no mistakes you have made. Always be remember this, because now I'm not talking anything negative. There are two things: talking negatively, talking practically. I'm practically बात कर रहा हूँ कि when you have made a trade, end up a trade on a profitable side, first try to check, is there any mistake which I have made in my entry, in my analysis, or in my exit. That's it. No mistake, no problem. If there is a mistake, just you see a profit, MTM profit, दिख गया, system बंद, okay, evening you will be doing some other work. नहीं sir, 10 minutes time निकालो. If you are in profit also, if you are in loss also, loss है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं सर हर बार आपको जो भी लॉस हो रहा है it's your own mistake. नहीं सर, sometime market goes completely against, can be any other reason. So blame मत करो, don't blame operator, don't blame anyone, it's of no use. Be clear on this. Now this is very common, sir. Nowadays it has become very very common. आपने, you have taken a trade, market is going against you. If your stop loss is getting, price is at your stop loss level, means first of all come out. Don't pray, don't hope it will come back. Most traders have an habit, sir. Start praying, sir, market God, price, let it come to my entry level, I will come out. But I don't want to book a loss in this trade. So what happens? How many times you would have done it, sir? Maximum every trader have done this. Even I have done this in my initial days of trading. You would have done it. Stop doing this. It will be very late for you to realize praying कि market यहाँ से reverse हो जाएगा, let me reverse. Praying will not work out in trading, sir. Understand it. Practically, if you have taken a trade with a proper plan or with your strategy or system, तो उसको follow कीजिए. Problem क्या है ना? In trading, you have been doing the same wrong habit or improper way of trading or unstable mind of trading. उसके साथ ही you are trading in the market. Almost maximum trader do the same. So to change it, you need a person to tell all your mistakes. So it's not an easy task. I'll tell you, it will take minimum 8 to 10 months, but minimum also on 1 year. Every time everything has to be solved stage by stage. It will take time, sir. It's not like you have watched today's video, okay sir, I am boosted up, pumped up, I'll watch 2 more motivational video and I am ready to take the trade in the market, I'll make money. It's nice. The problem, the habit which has inbuilt in your mind is now making many traders to get frustrated like the person who is on the right side, hoping like the person who is on the left side. If some miracle will happen, by any chance market will reward me, because I am putting lot of effort. I am daily and monthly. I am analyzing 20 hours, 30 hours, 40 hours. I am analyzing every week. So market will reward me because of my hard work. Nice. Market don't care who we are. Market, if you trade today, if you don't trade tomorrow, market don't care. Okay. If I don't trade tomorrow means market is not bothered. There are crores of traders trading in the market. You are not trading, market not bothered. You are trading, market not bothered. You are making money or you are losing money, market को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. If you are along with the market, आपका पहले एक चीज क्लियर होना चाहिए सर. Emotionally you have to be controlled. कंट्रोल गया तो सब कुछ गया. Always understand one thing. Whenever a pilot, okay, before takeoff or before any time when he is in the flight, he will read all the manuals. मतलब मैनुअल पढ़ेंगे सर. क्या कुछ है, कहाँ पे जाना है, क्या करना है, क्या कुछ नहीं करना है, what are all the cases, कैसे क्या कुछ करना है, when where what to do how to react. मतलब ये सब चीज उनको दिए जाता है. Every time they will get it, so they will read it, they will fix it in the mind. ये important. Okay, this is important. What happens ना, ट्रेडिंग में भी वही है. आपका एंट्री यहाँ पे ये लेवल पे प्राइस ट्रेड हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल योर एंट्री इज हियर, योर स्टॉप लॉस इज हियर. आपने बुलिश एक्सपेक्ट किया, मार्केट स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया तो बाहर आ जाओ. ओके, व्हाट हैपेंस ना, दिस विल मेक यू स्लाइट मोर काम एनफ. आप एक चीज समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. लॉस इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग अ पैनिक और फियर सर. ओके, the excitement to cover back the loss faster is creating the fear like this. मतलब आपका भी दो स्टेज है सर. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू साइड. आपका भी दो साइड है सर. वन इज द पर्सन हु इज वेरी हाइपर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, fear, tension, pressure, frustration. One side of you is the calm side. तो आपको एक चीज क्लियर होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे the person who is on the top right, the calm face or calm mind is because he is taken an entry, stop loss trigger हो गया. मतलब इसका रिस्क डिफाइंड है सर. या ओके चलो मैंने ट्रेड लिया, 1% का कैपिटल इज गॉन इन दिस ट्रेड, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. गो बैक इवनिंग चेक कीजिए आपका एनालिसिस में कोई मिस्टेक है, या फिर आपका फाइंडिंग आउट द कैंडल और एंट्री इज रॉन्ग. चेक कीजिए इफ एंट्री इज राइट, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट भी सही था, स्ट्रेटजी के वाइज ही ट्रेड लिया, कोई देयर इज नो मिस्टेक. सिंपल सर, एक्सेप्ट. दैट्स इट. एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए कि आज हमारा डेट नहीं, हमने सब कुछ सही किया. एवरीथिंग वी डिड वाज राइट इन एज पर रूल. एंट्री वाज एज पर रूल, एग्जिट वाज एज पर रूल, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट वाज एज पर रूल. सब कुछ रूल के हिसाब से ही था. स्ट्रेटजी एंट्री में भी रूल के हिसाब से ही था. स्टिल लॉस, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट इन दिस केस, इन दिस डे, योर रिस्क हैज टू बी कंट्रोल. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि व्हेन मार्केट इज कंप्लीटली इज नॉट रेडी टू गिव एनी मनी, you are losing 10% 15% means problem sir. Game over. Awareness clear होना important. So always try to understand one thing sir. Real life में there is something called sir, if you do hard work, if you do smart work, you will get reward. You will in job you will get increment, in business you will get growth. So that is real life. Effort, more effort in hard work or smart work is equal to reward. That is real life example. Trading में नहीं sir. आप you would have, for example, for tomorrow's trading session, you would have spent 2 hours 3 hours in the system. If you are a stock trader finding stock, if you are an index trader finding, analyzing the chart, multi time frame analysis, important reference level mark, candlestick find out किया, chart pattern check किया, indicator को plot किया, या फिर plain chart में you have made all the analysis, properly plan कर लिया. Bulls are in control, bears are in control, what is the trend, which side market is weaker, which side market is stronger, सब कुछ analysis कर लिया. For the next trading session, next trading session में loss तो 10 मिनट में आ जाएगा. In 10 minutes you will see a loss, in 2 minutes you will see a loss. मतलब now you can ask a question, sir, I have put so much effort in analysis, so much effort in finding the stock, or so much effort in marking the important reference level in index, Still, why sir I am losing? Try to understand, trading is a probability business. Okay, trading में next trade 100% you will make money ना, there is no guarantee. Always be prepared for this. ये पहले you have to fix this in your mind. आप next trading session में if you are taking the first trade of the day, there is no 100% guarantee. Trade से पहले आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा sir. Your analysis can go wrong. So simple, focus on the thing which is in your control. जब analysis wrong हो रहा है trading में which is in our control, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कितना लॉस करना है दैट इज इन योर कंट्रोल. मतलब बिफोर टेकिंग अ ट्रेड यू विल नो एंट्री, यू विल नो स्टॉप लॉस. तो उसका डिफरेंस क्या है, कितना लॉट साइज ले रहे हो, व्हाट इज योर मैक्सिमम लॉस इफ दिस ट्रेड गोस अगेंस्ट. मतलब 500 का ऑप्शन यू आर बाइंग, 50 रुपीज का स्टॉप लॉस, लॉट्स आपने लिया मान के चलिए 500 क्वांटिटी. तो मतलब व्हाट इज योर लॉस, यू आर ऑलरेडी क्लियर. मतलब आपको कितना निकल रहा है. इफ यू आर लूजिंग मीन्स in a 50 points का stop loss you are taking 500 quantity means 25,000 का loss fixed है, stop loss ही हुआ. So first of all loss हमारे कंट्रोल में. क्वांटिटी 500 लेना है 50 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस के हिसाब से, या फिर क्वांटिटी 100 लेना है, या फिर क्वांटिटी 2000 लेना है, दैट इज इन योर कंट्रोल, राइट. तो उसी में आप यू आर वेरी क्लियर. सो नाउ डोंट ब्लेम मार्केट के लॉस हो रहा है, बी क्लियर. यहाँ पे नेगेटिवली फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग नेगेटिवली, रियलिटी बात. सबको पता है सर, आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है, एवरीवन नोस बिफोर टेकिंग एवरी ट्रेड व्हाट विल बी द लॉस, net loss value. 10k, 20k, 50k, 1 lakh, what will be the net loss value based on the quantity you have taken if the SL gets bigger. सबको पता है सर. Still many traders overtrade. Sir, if you have a capacity, नहीं सर मेरा MTM fluctuation हो रहा है. If your MTM fluctuation you can 10k loss is seen means कोई टेंशन नहीं, आराम से you are there means this is your comfort. किसी ट्रेडर का 5k भी हो सकता है, किसी ट्रेडर का 1k भी हो सकता है, किसी ट्रेडर का 50k भी हो सकता है, किसी ट्रेडर के दे कैन हैव कि 1 लाख 2 लाख भी दिख रहा है लॉस, कोई टेंशन नहीं, आराम से दे आर सिटिंग इन द सीन वेटिंग, टेकन अ ट्रेड, स्टॉप लॉस या टारगेट क्या हो रहा है, यू आर ट्रैकिंग इट आराम से बेस्ड ऑन योर कंफर्ट. इसीलिए बोला फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज योर. तो एवरीवन नोस कि मैंने जब ट्रेड ले रहा हूं, व्हेनेवर आई एम एग्जीक्यूटिंग एनी ट्रेड, व्हाट इज माय लॉस. Now later on blaming market, no use sir, I have taken a trade, market has triggered my stop loss, because of market I have lost 10k. No, not because of market. You have taken quantity, whatever you want, it was in your control, then blaming market, what is this for? Okay, always understand, you have to judge your trading profit or loss. मतलब in short your trading outcome you have to just based on your discipline, not on the result. Sir, P&L ऊपर नीचे रहता रहेगा sir. Today you are making small loss, tomorrow you will make big profit. So result में ज्यादा focus करने से ज्यादा better है you have to focus on discipline. आपने you have taken today's entire or whatever how many trades you have taken, whether you have followed it, planned properly, entry proper था, stop loss proper था, target exit properly exit किया, no allowing of emotions. आपने emotion तो allow नहीं किया, नहीं sir, sir screen में 15,000 profit दिख गया, I am exited before the target, that is not this. You have to be matured to be judge your trade P&L based on discipline, not based on result. Okay. So now try to understand, that is the difference between normal life and trading. Normal life में क्या है ना, you are putting hard work, smart work, सब कुछ कर रहे हो, getting result. So you are proud कि I have made hard work, I have done the work in smart way, so I am getting the result in my life, business, job, career. Trading is different. You can do everything correct, but still that particular trade will end up. कोई problem नहीं. That is the reason I telling you, don't judge any trade by the result. Judge the trade based on the discipline how you wear. Simple. So there are 5 stages, sir. the image has been smallly cut out. 5 stages of traders: innocent, reality. One stage is missing. Fine. Innocent, reality. Okay. Seek through मतलब break even, master. मतलब innocent stage क्या है sir? When you are in innocent stage ना, you take a trade, you made 5,000. Okay, now the real calculation start. So today I made 5,000, 22 trading session in a month. Even if I remove 2 day, 20 session, 5,000 into 20, 1 lakh per month. Same thing I do for 12 months, 12 lakh. If I do compounding means 20 lakh, 15 lakh profit I will be making. Trading is very easy. Everyone would have had this thought process. Trading इतना आसान है सर. एक दिन का 5,000 कमाना है, 20 दिन प्रॉफिट कमाएंगे तो 1 लाख हो गया, 12 महीने में 12 लाख हो गया. आराम से यू आर सिटिंग, आराम से सिटिंग, यू आर बटन प्रेस किया भाई, बटन प्रेस किया, सेल मेक. इनोसेंस वेरी वर्स्ट स्टेज. सेकंड, once you come out of the innocent stage, ऐसा possible नहीं है. These thought process are not workable. That is the main problem. Most traders are still stuck in the innocent stage. कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रॉफिट मार्केट दे देगा. Market will give us some profit now because we are trading in the market for more than 5 years. Because I am very new to the market means market will give me reward. नहीं होता है. Not possible. Stage 2, reality stage. New system. Jumping to new system every week. Every week, every month, every 3 months, you are finding new trading system. आज YouTube खोला, किसी ने डाल दिया न्यू ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी, यू आर वाचिंग दैट वीडियो एंड यू विल बी स्टिक टू दो स्ट्रेटजी फॉर फ्यू डेज. उसके बाद समवन एल्स पुट न्यू ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी, जीरो लॉस ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी, जीरो ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी, you will jump in that strategy. No use. You are not clear on any single strategy and money is draining out of your trading. Now next stage is realization. मतलब अब you will realize at a point, I don't know, maximum don't realize even after 15 years. The problem is in your trading strategy. You, आपके fear, आपका ego, आपका greed is the problem. इसीलिए I'm telling you, solving all these puzzles for your trading mindset, trading psychology is not one video. It will take 1 year. 1 year clear commitment with clear mentor, that is important. Stage 5, master stage. So master stage में what you realize? We have to go with the flow of the market. Fear का कोई काम नहीं है. Loss हुआ accept कर लिया, profit हुआ handling it without greed. That's it. That is master stage. Next, this is what the fluctuation goes on. Okay, आपने trade decision ले रहे हो, you are taking a trade decision, right? Greed भी आएगा, afraid भी होंगे, you will be calm. Okay, everything will go on. मतलब greedy, fear, afraid, calm. So always understand, once you take any trade decision, you have to cross the fear side, the afraid side, and the greedy side. Then only you will come into the calm. Right? Then in the school you would have seen this graphs, how human is being born. Matlab old age, from the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, right? Same way trading happens. From innocent stage to master stage, you have to come across the greed side, the fear and afraid side. Then only you will see the calm side of the trading, like the person who is calm, relaxed, taking important notes. Clear बंदा clear है कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं, right? Once you are not ready to understand, नहीं sir, trading में trade strategy ही important है. How long you will have this fake thought process कि trading में trade strategy important means, I'll tell you, fear can never go out of you. Fear will continue to haunt you. सर मैं डरा नहीं रहा हूँ, नेगेटिवली बात नहीं कर रहा, रियलिटी बात करेंगे. रियलिटी में पैसा बनता है. प्रॉफिट कम्स वंस यू आर क्लियर कि आपको पता है, यू आर अवेयर कि व्हाट इज देयर इन द ट्रेडिंग. मतलब फियर इज लाइक नॉट इवन एनिमी सर. It is roaming around your mind. Problem वही है, roaming around your mind. Your habits of trading has to be changed. कैसे change होगा? एक दिन में हो जाएगा? Watching two videos नहीं, chance ही नहीं. That is the reason I'm telling you it will take 6, 8 or minimum 1 year. Simple as that. जितना ज्यादा इमोशनली यू आर रिएक्ट, इमोशनली रिएक्ट कर रहे हो, ट्रेड लॉस हो गया, अरे यार, फ्रस्ट्रेशन में यू आर ब्रेकिंग द ग्लास, ब्रेकिंग द टेबल्स और shouting at everyone, or you yourself in your inner mind having multiple overthinking thought process. The how more the emotions is increasing, a drawdown company was. This graph is a clear example. Emotional reaction versus drawdown. जितना ज्यादा emotional reaction उतना ज्यादा loss. जितना less, the lesser the emotional reaction, the lesser the drawdown. Simple funda. No rocket science, straightforward deal in front. Now, important part. Inner rest, calmness in your mind is more important. So you have to reset your inner. Reset. I'll tell you some practical easy. Resetting your inner mind is not at all a easy task. It will take time. You need a proper, clear awareness, clear guidance, clear approach, clear mentor. That is more and more important. Clean chart, no indicator, entering with clarity, exiting with calm mind, and reviewing your what trade happened around you. That's it. So now you have to take one thing. One system, one rule for 30. इसका मतलब क्या है सर? मैं सिर्फ one trading strategy follow नहीं सर. Always understand one trading system means in which you will have a set of directional and non-directional trade based entry, trade based strategy that combines becomes one trading system. Simple, one rule you have to follow for the next 30 days. Your entire trading will change. I'm not joking, I'm telling you the reality.